Maximizing square footage equals maximizing value. Watch how these clever customizations made this home a hot seller in just 3 days. We have an angled lot. All the homes on this entire row are angled, and then we also have a clipped corner in the back. Let's go check it out. Back here is where you have the cut corner, and code requires that we have a minimum of 3 feet from this corner of the home to this wall. So right here we'll measure exactly 36 inches. So what you'll see is that we had to make the A half, this left side, shorter than the B half in order to stay within code and maximize the square footage. Doing an offset allowed for us to maximize the square footage and get a larger section on the B half. Now I'm going to show you the inside and the value of maximizing this living area. Let's go take a look. Whoop, whoop. So due to the flexibility of making alterations and custom designing a new manufactured home, we were really able to make great use of the living area on the interior of this home. We have a very nice big open concept. It's great for entertaining your family and friends. I love it. You can cook. You can have your friends help cutting up here. But this is a great open living area for your family and friends, having the kitchen, and you have this large kitchen island. You could fit 3 bar stools at the end. And one of my favorites is this stainless steel farmhouse sink with the pennant lights. That combination really looks sharp. We have the soft gray cabinets, solid surface countertops, Corian, beautiful. You do get to choose from several different variations of countertops. And over here, it came with the cutting board. So with this sink, it's really nice. It's a single cell sink, gooseneck faucet with sprayer. I love it. Always option the gooseneck faucet and sprayer. For the low cost, it doesn't cost very much. And you're gonna get a lot better faucet than the standard faucet. So always make sure you option in a sink, a single cell sink with the gooseneck faucet and sprayer. You're gonna appreciate it. And up here we do have hardwood cabinets. So most of the factories are offering hardwood cabinets. These are very nice and sturdy. You have very sturdy hinges that are recessed. We went with the stainless steel package. This is the standard stainless steel package with an 18 cubic refrigerator, top and bottom. And then over here, we have the stainless steel stove in hood. So you do have options with those as well. You can always do black, white, stainless steel. And these pennant lights, you have options with pennant lights. Some people are like, I don't want the pennant lights. They hang down too low. Well, we could hang them higher, or you could go without them. You could do just can lights above the kitchen island. That's becoming more popular now. But let's go in back. I want to show you how much more living area we were able to get by doing a custom manufactured home. First, check out the bedrooms. The guest bedroom is perfect for a queen size bed with some nightstands and even a dresser. Now we're gonna go to my favorite part. Over here is the guest bathroom, the guest bedroom. Now we're gonna go in the master bathroom and bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Because of the ability to customize the manufactured home, we were able to add an additional 3 to 4 feet in the bedroom and an entire bathroom. So before the customization, this bedroom would have only gone to about where I'm standing right here. And so you imagine you could only fit maybe a full-size bed in here. And so due to The flexibility with manufactured homes, we were able to make this home a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, making it more desirable. This home sold before it hit the market.